Well, this is a Ford Fiesta LX DURA ZETEC SE, and check out what happened here. Completely chewed off the plug. So I don't know if you will be able to see. I will hopefully. Look at this. Look at this inside. So the whole engine door. So this is the bed. This is the bed here, which is still inside. So I'm going to take a whole. I'm going to show a whole video how we're gonna take the whole thing out. Possibly take off the cylinder head and then approach it that way. So we will see what's happening. But for now, this is pretty crazy.